And so you've purchased the R36S console. Install the ArkOS operating system on a new microSD card. But what's next? Where do you get the game collection? Let's figure it out together. When you buy the R36S console, it usually comes with a microSD card preloaded with a game collection. This is the easiest way to get a retro game collection for your new console. As we've discussed in previous videos, the bundled microSD cards are of very low quality, and it's better not to use them at all. The first thing you need to do is to format your new microSD card to FAT or exFAT format. Now, eject the microSD card from your computer and insert it into the console. Then power on or reboot the console. Next, go to the Options section. Then Advanced, and at the bottom, select Switch to SD2 for ROMS. This way, the console will prepare the new microSD card and create the necessary folders for copying the game collection into them. But if the preparation process doesn't start and the menu immediately appears, it means your microSD card is not compatible with the console. In that case, I suggest looking for another microSD card. After successfully formatting the microSD card, eject it from the console and insert it back into the computer. Now you can copy your entire game collection to this microSD card. For example, I copied games from the bundled SD card to a new SD card from folder to folder, leaving only the games that interest me. You can do the same, or you can copy games from a downloaded internet collection. Copy the corresponding games carefully into the corresponding folders. There are separate folders for Nintendo's consoles, PlayStation's consoles, Sega's consoles, and other. Once you've copied all the games, eject the microSD card from the computer and insert it back into the console. Now power it on or reboot it. After that, you'll see your entire game collection on the screen. And now please like and subscribe to the channel. I wish you a pleasant nostalgia trip and successful completion of your favorite games.